follow the steps on how to make a pattern like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start with a new document. Create a rectangle. Add a line inside it using the pen tool. Select, then activate the Live Paint bucket. Prepare swatches. Select a color and apply it to the object. Differentiate the colors to create a 3D effect. Remove the stroke. Select and go to Object. Pattern and make. Click Done. Delete this. Next, create a full artboard rectangle and fill it with the pattern that has been created. Right-click, select Scale to adjust the size of the pattern. Make sure the Transform object is not checked, and adjust the size here. Then add a grain effect. You can set it like this. Press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+F to copy-paste in front. Delete the effect and replace the fill with a black and white gradient. Change the opacity mode to multiply. Select Radial Gradient. Press G to adjust. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.